how to open device manager in Windows 10 and 11. So let's start it. First of all, minimize this, and you can see here a start menu. Then click on this and click on right button, and you can see here the option feature, power option, event viewer, and device manager. The device manager option are available on this tab. Then click on this. You can see here our device manager are opened, and you can see here all devices are which is installed on your computer are available in this window. So this is how to open device manager in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe us.